Firstly, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the residents of the Federal Capital Territory for their continued support and cooperation during our intensified security operations aimed at combating the menace of one-chance robberies and car theft in the country's capital. Against one-chance and car theft in the FCT. On this note, I'm pleased to report our progress since the launch of the Command Special Tactical Team to date. The Command has impounded 296 vehicles for violations such as the use of tinted glasses, driving with only one plate number, and the use of concealed or defaced number plates. Also, our operations have successfully foiled 5 one-chance robbery operations, rescuing 3 victims who are abducted by these criminal elements. This achievement highlights the effectiveness of our proactive strategies and shows the importance of public cooperation in ensuring the safety of all FCT residents. We are happy for the cooperation given to us by the residents of the Federal Capital Territory. This has contributed to all the arrests made so far. Arrest of a one-chance suspect and recovery of exhibits. As I earlier mentioned, the Command recently declared war against one-chance robbers and other criminal gangs in the FCT. Following this announcement and in line with the directive, on November 23rd, 2024, around 1 p.m., operatives from the State Intelligence Department, SID, apprehended one Ibrahim Kabiru during routine patrol along Maiduguri Way. Suspicious circumstances surrounding his parked vehicle prompted the officers to do a search. Machine, that's POS, 1 knife, 1 scissors, 2 mobile phones, and female luggage suspected to have been stolen. Upon interrogation, Kabiru failed to provide a satisfactory explanation for the items, raising concern about his involvement in one chance. He is in custody, and people who have identified him have come up. He will be charged to court very soon. Rescue of a pregnant woman and arrest of a one-chance suspect. On November 28, 2024, at approximately 7 p.m., a distress call reported an ongoing robbery along Idu Industrial Area Road. Police operatives from Karim Division swiftly responded, arresting one Chukudi Ingerum at the scene and rescuing the victim, one Doris Gabriel, who was heavily pregnant. Preliminary investigations revealed that Doris had been abducted on her way home from Federal Medical Center, Jabi, by a gang posing as commercial vehicle operators. Effort is ongoing to apprehend other members of the gang. Another arrest of suspects for criminal conspiracy and robbery, one chance. On November 25, 2024, at about 10 p.m., police operatives arrested 2 suspects, Udoka Obiyo and Moses Anogwa, in Ukwa village for involving in robbery conspiracy, popularly known as one chance. Investigation revealed their active participation in targeting residents and commuters. Efforts are underway to arrest other associates that escaped. Arrest of armed robbery suspects, popularly known as one chance. In an intelligence operation on December 2nd, 2024, police operatives apprehended 2 suspects, Issa Mohammed, alias Malam Azan, and Musa Abdullahi, both aged 18, near Wuse Zone 4 Bridge. The duo confessed to belonging to a syndicate that used knife, cutlasses to rob victims at traffic points and bus stops. Efforts are ongoing to track and arrest other members of the gang. At the same time, officers of the command have arrested 2 fake soldiers. They are seen moving around in military uniform. Operatives of the Federal Capital Territory Police Command arrested one Emmanuel Linus for impersonating the Nigerian Army officer. The suspect was apprehended on November 30, 2024, around 2 p.m., dressed in full Nigerian Army camouflage uniform. During initial interrogation, Linus pretended to be a military officer. He had an ID card and the date of birth, everything muddled up, raising suspicion. Investigation gathered while he was in custody revealed that Linus was allegedly a member of criminal syndicates specialized in defrauding unsuspecting victims. The group reportedly purchased goods and services using fake bank alerts to deceive sellers. The police have commenced investigation into the matter, and other members of the gang will be arrested very soon. Police arrested 2 suspects for vandalism in the Federal Capital Territory. This has been going on for some time. We noticed a lot of public infrastructures are damaged, public lights, wires, cables are removed. So police officers were tasked with the job of going around to effect the arrest of people perpetrating this. So we are very happy to display to you men involved in vandalizing public infrastructures. They have been arrested. A lot of the cables recovered from there are displayed for you to see. They were able to remove cable, underground tunnels that we have been able to measure for about 3 kilometers. All these have been recovered, and you can see it after the. In line with this commitment, the Federal Capital Territory Police Command, following the 5-day surveillance after noticing suspicious movement around manholes in the area, made significant breakthrough on November 29 at approximately 3:45 a.m. Vandalism of streetlight poles behind the Foreign Affairs Office in Abuja. Acting swiftly, operatives apprehended 2 suspects, Mr. Awal Mustaf and David Majid. The stolen streetlight cable, property of the Federal Capital Development Authority, were established to be worth between 20 million and 25 million. Items recovered from the suspect include 1 medium-sized streetlight pole, several large streetlight poles, and cables of various sizes. The suspects are here for you to see an interview after this briefing. We have all these suspects here for you to interview and make up your opinion about their activities. Most importantly, we are happy to inform residents of the Federal Capital Territory of the arrest of 6 different groups of one-chance operators. 6 different groups of operators of one chance. And they are here for you to see and interview yourself. But there is something of significance for us to note. We have been able to recover 6 of their vehicles that they use for these one-chance operations. And you are all going to see these vehicles. One thing is in common with all the vehicles. All the vehicles they use for one chance are tinted. All the vehicles recovered from one chance, 6 in number, they are displayed here for you to see. We have noticed something in common with all the vehicles. All the vehicles used for one chance are tinted. So that forms our opinion. We have been able to go out. We are clamping down on all commercial vehicles and everybody tinting their vehicles. We need to see people in their vehicles. Tinted glass is contributing to a lot of lawlessness. A lot of the victims kidnapped that we have rescued have given us their word that the tinted glass made it impossible for people to know they were in distress. And a lot of them at the same time covered their number plates, or some deliberately did not put number plates on their vehicles. This is the one resident of the Federal Capital Territory that henceforth the police will enforce all laws on tinted glasses. Nobody have right to tint their vehicles. We will enforce the law on covering of number plates. Nobody have right to cover their number plates. We will enforce laws on people not affixing registration numbers on their vehicles, because all these are forms of criminalities that people take advantage of to rob innocent citizens of the Federal Capital Territory. We want to thank you for taking your time to come and witness these successes of the past 2 weeks, and then we'll continue to keep you informed. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. The strategy put in place to enforce stop and search towards arresting and nipping one chance in board is causing hold up. Before we commence, we came on here. We told the residents that we'll be embarking on that operation. And at the same time, we know that we'll be inconveniencing the residents for some few minutes on the road. We want to assure you that it is for the betterment of everybody in the command in the Federal Capital Territory that we're embarking on this. And it is yielding a lot of successes. You can see what we're displaying today is giving us joy that we have been able to make this wonderful arrest. 6 different groups of one chance. 6 different groups of people perpetuating one chance, arresting innocent people on the streets, demanding ransom from them, forcibly pushing them out of the vehicles, have been arrested. And 6 or 7 of their vehicles have been recovered. If we were not doing this stop and search, probably we would not have been able to arrest all these suspects. About 17 suspects perpetuating one chance have been arrested, and 7 of their vehicles recovered. That's a wonderful one for us for just a 2 weeks operation. At the same time, we are still going to go out. Our men have been enjoying to continue to do it, ensure we arrest all of them so that we can have a wonderful festivity. And the other question has to do with our men escorting people on the road. Our phone numbers are out. The monitoring teams are out. If we notice our officers are doing what they should not be doing, please kindly give us the information. Send text messages to us or call us. We'll act on it and we'll give you feedback. We do not condone indiscipline in any form.